to make myself some coffee. I don't like this brand of coffee that's open, so I'm probably gonna drown it out with Milo. But yeah, for those of you who don't know what Milo is, it's like a hot cocoa. That's like the best way to describe it. It's like a hot cocoa. So I'm probably gonna do that and then get back to work. So I did wake up. First of all, it's been raining nonstop since yesterday and I am here for it. The only thing is I do have things to do and I wanted to straighten my hair. So I'm putting that off until later on tonight, because I do want my intention is to run out today. So yeah, right now though, I'm about to, like I said, make this coffee / hot cocoa, and go back upstairs. I have a meeting that I do not want to be on. Low-key kind of dislike these meetings. Like every once in a while is cool, but every week is getting on my nerves. Maybe it's the antisocial in me, but it's kind of like a team building call. I'm just like, I have stuff to do. I have stuff to do. Let's team build when we are calm and don't have a lot going on. Right now we have a lot going on, so there's that. Remember when I said that I had a team building call? Tell me why, as soon as I got done making my coffee and coming back upstairs, my boss, my manager, reaches out to me and is like, oh, by the way, you're hosting this week's meeting. It's not, I can't even say it's like a last minute thing because he has a list and a schedule that we are following. So he just happens to send us the reminders on the day of, like, just in case you haven't checked the list in a while. Whatever. So was on the phone sharing. I had to come. First of all, when I say it's team building, it's literally team building. We're talking about random things that either happen to us throughout the week, things to help us stay productive, any cases or projects we're working on that we have difficulty with. Like, it's completely random. So this morning I quickly came up with the topic of winter blues, seasonal depression. If everybody can give me an example of things that they do to help with the winter blues and stuff like that. So kind of went around, I was gonna say went around the room, but we basically everybody shared something, and I was talking about vacations, y'all, because one thing that's gonna help me get out of seasonal depression is booking a trip somewhere else. Okay. So I talked about that, and also about cooking cozy meals. But I think a good majority of us on the call were just discussing, like, staying active, working out, just moving our bodies a bit more during the winter since we're kind of stuck in the house. You have to, like, be intentional about being more active. So yeah, now that that's done, I'm gonna check to see if I have, and I do not have any other calls for the day. I am a little irritated because I want to get in contact with my school, but they're not answering. And that's not a problem, the Belize, okay? It's a problem. You could call their number back to back to back. Worse with the government offices. They don't answer, and they don't reply to emails. But come on, dog. I just want to know if I could go to the school and get my get something. I want to know how quickly it is for me to get a it's not really a transcript, because I don't know if they do transcripts. I can talk. I don't know if we can do transcripts for primary school. But I need something just confirming that I attended and I graduated from my primary school for this thing that I'm working on. So yeah, I need to confirm whether or not they're open, and if they can do that within, if it's quick, like a quick lookup, so that I don't have to waste my time physically going there to ask, and then physically having to go back to pick it up. Like, if I can go put the request in and then pick it up right away, or wait for it if it's something simple, then great. If not, then, I'm just I have questions and I need them to answer the phone so that I can ask them. So yeah, that's what we have going on. I'm probably about to call my high school as well, to see how quickly I can make a request. Like, is it something that can be done within a day or what may have you? So we'll see. I don't know if you guys can see, but like, my hair is not bone straight because the humidity is crazy. Like, the humidity is absolutely crazy. So I straighten it and it's already, but I think I'm gonna do like the effortless waves, effortless curls, like sock method. So after I'm done straightening, I'm probably gonna do that, and then hopefully, because my hair is thick and it's gaining a lot of volume due to the humidity, it looks nice, but we'll see.
Been working all day, can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working on.
Oh Lord, I should have just waited till I got out of Pothole City. But hello, y'all. Okay, it is Thursday and we are headed to the city. My bestie's birthday was yesterday and we were supposed to do lunch, but yesterday was, I'm still in Pothole City. Hold on. As I was saying before I was leaving Pothole City, it is Friday. It's not Friday, it's Thursday, and I am headed to the city because I'm going to go get my bestie. I'm gonna pick her up. We're gonna do lunch. Her birthday was yesterday and I didn't get a chance to take her out. I absolutely hate this, by the way. If I see, I think I saw it at a store up here, I'm gonna get her one of those wheel covers because that bothers me so much. But yeah, so yeah, her birthday was yesterday, but yesterday was super emotional. Maybe I'll tell y'all the story. It has nothing to do with me personally. It's just a family friend, my aunt's friend. A lot has been going on with his family, and it was just I am an empath, and so I feel things. I feel things just as if it was happening to me. And I kind of was down yesterday. So yeah, that's what happened with why there's no footage of yesterday. Yeah, headed to pick her up, and then we're gonna go to Samate. This car needs to get fixed because it is so loud. It is definitely too loud, yo. And then this bus, hi Dios mío. Hold on, because Rasta pasta, dog. Shit. Y'all hear that? That's my car. I'm in a motorboat right now. Oh, it's not my car. It's the car that I'm using. I don't like that. It's loud. It's loud AF. Anywho, that's what we're doing. We're headed to the city.
Although the samosas still aren't here yet.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me.
Hey guys, so random, but I am actually getting ready to head to a basketball game. The Hurricane and, or the, is it the Hurricanes? Hurricanes and the Sharks? Anyways, yeah, my cousin's coming to pick me up, so we're about to head out. And then I'll probably take some clips on my phone because I'm not gonna lug this camera around, so let's go.
So, are you not conversing for the young level, right? And I want to not like you, something new. What's going on? Big up the girl when you are saying, the clothes are your offer and I feel.
Hey guys, so It's a few days later, and I am actually not feeling my best. Physically and I guess emotionally. It's just one of those days where I'm just like, blah. Kind of wish it was raining. Kind of wish it was, well, I'm having a movie day regardless, but kind of wish it was cooler because I don't know if you guys can tell, I am sweating. So it's a little hot, but I am just relaxing right now. I was supposed to go to this all-white party, but like I said, I'm just not feeling my best, so it don't make no sense me trying to go out. Yeah, I'm about to edit today's vlog, this week's vlog, and then I think when my aunt gets back, I'm probably gonna run to the store, pick up some snacks, or try to figure out what I want to eat for dinner. It's one of those things where I am not in the mood, and I kind of want to avoid people, but it is what it is. Anyways, that is all I have for y'all this week. Sorry it's ending on such kind of like a downer note, but I'm really not feeling my best. Like I said, physically I'm also kind of out of it. But yeah, that is it. Let's hope that next week brings more fun. I do plan on going to the game again next week, so that's gonna be fun. I'm hoping I could get my girls to go. I know Jared might want to go, but I don't know about Sophia. Sophia's always busy doing something, so yeah, but I definitely want to get tickets. I gotta look into that. So next week we're gonna be out again, have a little fun again, but that's it for this week's vlog. I'll check with you guys on the next vlog. Bye.